If you're over 50 and you think that you need a fancy camera or a giant ring light or maybe 10 different editing programs to start a successful YouTube channel, you've been lied to. I'm Kathy. I'm 55, and just 4 months ago, I started my tech channel absolutely from zero. I'm learning AI and modern tech right alongside you. And if I had listened to all the young creators talking about gear, I never would have even started. The truth is, all that complexity, that's just a distraction. Your age is your advantage, and today I'm going to prove it. You only need three incredibly simple tools, one of which you already own, to be a successful creator, and no tech skills required. First, let's talk about the real essential tool that older creators have already mastered: storytelling. Your wisdom, your life experience, that's your superpower. Younger creators are constantly chasing the trends, and we don't have to. We just show up and talk about what we know. Think of it like cooking. The young creators are using fancy, expensive gadgets. We? We're using the old, reliable cast iron pan. It's simple, it's trustworthy, and it always makes a better meal. That is your advantage. But even the best storyteller needs a way to record. So let's break down the three simple, essential tools that will help you share your cast iron story. Tool number one, your smartphone. That's it. Stop thinking that you need to spend thousands of dollars on a mirrorless camera. Your phone is a 4K studio. And the truth is, your audience doesn't care about cinematic quality. They care about authenticity. When I started my AI learning channel, I used only my phone. And guess what? My most viewed video, the one where I talk about starting at 55, was recorded right here. It looks real, it feels real, and that builds trust immediately. The only tech skill you need for this tool: clean your lens. Do it before every shoot. That's the difference between a blurry video and a clear message. Don't overthink it. Tool number two is the secret weapon that makes editing easy, even if you've never used a computer program before, and that's CapCut. When younger creators edit, they're using complex cuts and special effects. When we use CapCut, we do two things: cut out the pauses and add captions, and that's 90% of a good video. The best part, CapCut uses AI to automatically generate subtitles for you. You click one button and it does the work. And this kills the need for text skill. You don't have to type anything out. Your viewers get subtitles, which boosts your watch time, and all you did was click a button. Think of CapCut as your helpful, patient grandchild. They handle the fast, fiddly technical bits while you focus on the important part, the story you recorded on your phone. By the way, learning a simple tool like CapCut, that's the first step to learning modern tech. If you want to see how I use even more AI to help me write my script and help me with my titles, make sure you stick around for the closing message.
If this is helping already, hit the like button so YouTube knows to show it to more people over 50 trying to figure this out.
Tool number three is not just a tool for my channel, it's a tool for your entire YouTube career, and that's ChatGPT. If you're over 50, you know your biggest hurdle is not the camera, it's the jargon. What should your title be? What tags should you use? How do you write a description that YouTube will like? I call ChatGPT the jargon killer. Instead of getting lost in YouTube Studio, you just ask ChatGPT simple questions. Like, I made a video about saving money on prescriptions. Give me 10 title ideas that would appeal to people over 50. And it gives you the perfect title in just seconds. This is how you use AI to fill the tech gap. It helps you write titles, descriptions, and even helps you write simple scripts. It lets you focus on being the authentic teacher that your audience needs. And if you're nervous about even trying this, I made a video breaking down the 3 ChatGPT prompts that every beginner should know. It makes starting ridiculously easy, so forget the tech panic. All you need is your phone to record, CapCut to edit, and ChatGPT to handle the confusing marketing jargon. The truth is, YouTube needs more of us. They need calm, grounded, real voices. And every day you wait is a day that the audience you were meant to serve is waiting for you. You are not too late. This is your sign. Now that you know the only 3 tools that you need, your next step is to master the simplest one: ChatGPT. Click on the video on your screen right now. The 3 ChatGPT prompts every beginner should know. And let's get you started today. I'll see you there.